I just want to say thank you for this wonderful and beautiful birthday cake from my daughter. Thank you so much, anak. Love it. Hi everyone! Welcome back again to our YouTube channel. And Merry Christmas po sa ating lahat, sa inyong lahat dyan. Merry Christmas! And since Christmas is also my birthday, I won't let it not to share with you. So ito yung mga kunting ganap ng birthday ko at noong Pasko. And here's some of my gifts from my employers and some of my friends. Thank you so much into watching. We're going to start this gift. This gift is from my afternoon work. So actually, nabuksan na siya, wala na siyang yung gift wrap kasi binuksan ko sa harap ng mga alaga ko nung time na inabot nila sa akin yan. Kasi gustong-gusto nilang makikitang binubuksan ko sa harapan nila. So anyway, papakita ko pa rin sa inyo. So ito siya. Ang tawag yun dito is hearsay. Yung parang panglamig siya. I like this one and I love it because it's very soft, warm, and comfortable. Pa-comfortable niya isuot. Very soft and warm. Andyan naman yung ticket de regalo if ever gusto kong papalitan. Naka-attach yung ticket. So nice. Love it. Sobrang lambot. And very warm. And this one naman, binigay ko sa akin ng kapatid ng aking partner. Kasi doon kami nag-chipoy na sa bahay nila. So, dahil birthday ko na rin ito binigay niya sa akin. So, let's see. What is this? Lagi talaga may regalo sa akin ng kapatid ng partner. Okay. Wow. Let's see. And what is this? It's argan soap, body soap. Maganda to. Love it. At meron pa. Wow! Bukan ba? Scrub. Handmade to. Pagka ganito, handmade. Ganda. Wow. So, ito yun. Ayan natin dito. This one naman is regalo sa akin ng nanay ng amo ko sa pang-umaga. Kasi nung 25 mismo, nagpunta ko sa kanila, tumulong ako nag-serve. Doon sila nag-lunch, 25. Doon sila nag-lunch. Binigay nila sa akin. Napakabait ko naman ng amo ko sa pang-umaga. Pero, tinagal ko na rin ito. But, hindi ko pa nakita ang pinapanood. It's a perfume. Tingnan natin sa loob. It's inside. Ayan siya. Ang bango. Try mag-bango. Amoy summer breeze. Ang bango. Ito naman galing kay Ate Shirley. Shout out to you, Bait. Thank you so much. Napaka-generous talaga ni Bait. Thank you so much. Let's see what's inside. Thank you so much, Bait. It's a wallet. Ang wallet na maswerte. Love it. Thank you, Bae. At ito naman galing sa ating mga amo, sa ating trabaho, sa pang-umaga. My morning walk. Napaka-generous na family. Let's see what's inside. Wow. At may card pa sila. So, anong unahin natin buksan itong card or itong gift? So, ito unahin natin. Wow! Masculitas! Wow, napakasarap nito, napaka-imported na napaka-special na chocolate. Sobrang sarap nito, guys. My God. Oo. I can't wait na to open it para kainin. Ang sarap nito, sobra. Mamahaling chocolate. Oh my God. Thank you so much. At ito naman yung card. Siyempre, lagi talaga ito. Ito nabibigay talaga sila ng cash. Wow. Glistening. 100 euro. Thank you so much. Napaka-generous talaga ng mga amo ko na yan. Sobra. More blessing sa inyo. Pero sobrang bait nito. Thank you so much. Ito naman galing kay Ma'am Tina. Yung amo na Lorna na nag-extra ako din minsan. So, binigay niya sa akin dahil po birthday daw niya sa akin. Okay natin. Wow, ang sarap! It's food for the God. Ang gawa niya to, ang sarap nito, grabe. Nung buhay pa nanay ko, magawa siya nito. Yung fast food. Yung main ingredient nito is yung dates. Sobrang sarap nito. Food for the God. Thank you, Ma'am Tina. At meron pa talagang pahabol galing sa pinag-extrahan ko na namang work. Thank you so much sa lahat, sa nagbigay ng gift, sa mga greetings niyong lahat. It really, really counts. It leaves a smile in my heart. And thank you so much, Lord God, for the wonderful golden years of life. It's really such a privilege. Thank you so much, Lord. And from my family to yours, wishing you all a Merry, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year filled with love and good health and prosperity. And may our great God grant all our desires in life. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and share this video, at kung hindi naman kalabisan, paki-subscribe na lang din itong aking channel. Thank you so much and see you on the next one.